everybody, welcome back to Freedom Hill. Thanks for joining me. Right now you're looking at my shelves in my new studio, which I've already shown you, but I wanted to kind of show these again before I show you the entire room. It is finished. In this closet I have put a little cart and I keep a few things in there. I won't go through everything, but just some of these things are like my glue gun and some tissue paper. Everything's labeled. There's one thing that's not labeled, but I know what's in there. Most everything up there is labeled, and if it's not, I already know what's in there. I don't need a label. But let's turn around and see the entire room. Here we go. Here's my studio. Let me come out here and give a better view. And the whole room. And Jenny's in here. Hello, Jenny. So this is my sewing table. And under this canvas cover is my sewing machine. I keep it covered for dust, obviously. I have a few things over here. A birthday gift for my granddaughter. Some tiles I've been making ornaments with. I put my printer here. And in this stand, in this little cart, I have vinyl. That's where I keep my vinyl. Over here I have these bins that are the same as they were before, and then organization at the top. Most of those are labeled. These are not, because I don't know, I thought it looked a little tacky. I have this cart that I keep miscellaneous papers in, and in the bottom I keep actually Christmas ribbon. This top is my Martha Stewart scoring board, and then that comes off and you can see it's just random things in there put together. Over here I have a set of shelves. Well, there's Winston now. Hello, Winston. You can see my shadows in here. Sorry about that. But I have a set of shelves. On the bottom I have some albums that I need to put together. All the pictures and the layouts are in them. They're just not secured in them. So I need to do that. I've just got random things here. A big stack of paper. I've got more paper up here. My button jars over there. And then some more organization here. Paper. Just different things. My main desk is where I keep my laptop. I've been working on Christmas ornaments with some vinyl and those tiles. Now they didn't have white ones. I wanted white. My husband had gone to Home Depot. All they had was gray, so he got me the gray ones. I don't mind them too much. I think they're kind of pretty. So I keep my laptop, and in this space over here I keep my Cricut Maker. I made this cover for it. It's a dust cover, but that is my maker, and it works out very well to have it there. I do unplug it when I'm not using it, and so I keep the outlets down there. I have my aunt light. I should have it on for this video. You probably get better lighting. Yeah, so that's my space. I have my garbage down here. Over here I have one little cart with some fabric and some zippers in the bottom. I just baked up a whole bunch of pine cones yesterday. I picked them up out of our yard, and I was so happy with them. They're so pretty. So I baked them in the oven for about a half hour on 200 to kill any critters that were there. So I'm going to be doing some crafts with those pine cones. But I wanted to show you my studio today. Show you where I've been working. And it's kind of quiet back here in this little corner, which is nice. It overlooks my deck outside. And I just really like it. I like the space, and I can kind of make a mess if I want to and don't have to look at it all day. So there's both my cats, Jenny and Winston. That's very unusual for them to both be in the same shot. But they usually follow me around because they're curious about what I do all day. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. And I just thought I'd give you a glimpse of my studio. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. Just a tiny update before I ready this video to go live. But I actually put a chair in here, and I moved the little cart over to the side of this desk. So that was just another upgrade I made, because sometimes my husband will sit here and talk with me, and this little chair was too small for my husband. Sometimes he likes to sit and talk with me, so this chair is perfect for that. And sometimes I'll sit here and read. Thanks to the Home Depot Seeds program, we got this chair for free, and I absolutely love it. So that's the update I made to my studio. It's a bit messier this time. My desk is. I was crafting yesterday and making some Christmas ornaments, and that was fun. So yeah, when I take the cover off my Cricut, I just put it over top of this chair, and it sits there, while I work. So all my stuff was laying out here. So that's the update, and this is my space, and I'm loving it and using it a lot. I've got some crafts going on over there, and it's just a fun space to work. Thanks for joining me. Bye.